Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI.
Who here loves struggling with a 5-gallon bottle of water? Anybody? Yeah, me neither. And that is why this water dispenser from Lucille has become one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. The best feature, in my opinion, is the gravity sensor function. If you're like me, then you're also trying to do 5 different things at a time, and standing there holding a bottle or a cup is not one of them. I love being able to put my glass there and have it do all the work for me. If I have something lighter, I just need to add a little bit more pressure and it's good to go. And if I do need to hold something bigger, guess what? It has a touch sensor on the top that allows me to dispense water that way. I also love the flexibility. Whether it was on the bottle, on my table, or at my bedside, I found both ways to be so easy to set up. I mean, literally, once I charged it up, it was ready to go in no time. It was easy to use and very convenient, not to mention that the hose was long enough for me to do both. The tall spout and large base allows me to fill a variety of things and it fills fast. But I can easily move the item to stop the water, or if I'm not paying attention, which is very likely, it will automatically stop after about 3 cups of water. I also have to mention that we've been using this every day and the battery is still going strong.
Who knew drinking water could be this exciting? Not me. But if you're in the market for a water dispenser, I highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.